All right, I'm really far behind the NOPD horse stables now. It's like a new road, all bushwhacked back here. I've never been back here.
This crazy bird back here?
What's up?
See this crazy bird right here?
I heard him.
I don't know what this thing is. Look at this thing.
Was it?
Like a peacock, half a peacock or something.
Had long legs?
Look at how much color it got though. You see? What the hell is this? That ain't supposed to be here. You see it?
That's a
Wanda?
your Tiffany's calling you or something. That looks almost like a parrot or a fancy chicken.
A real fancy chicken.
Where's it at?
Right behind you, right? Oh.
It's right behind me?
Yeah. I mean,
Gonna go take a look at this exotic bird this guy just spotted.
red and yellow coming through right here. See, no, he's just moving. You see him moving?
Yeah, I see him. Let's see how close I can get.
I got pretty close, but
You guys see him right there? Wow, his tail feathers are just about 2 feet long. Not sure what kind of bird this is. Looks like a fancy chicken or some kind of parrot. If you know what kind of bird that is, let us know in the comments. I'll do some research later and find out. Hey, did you lose a bird? Yeah, a fancy bird. Lots of color, 2-foot tail feather. Looks like a... I can't hear you. Yeah, you would remember misplacing this bird. It's over here, you should check it out. It's like an exotic chicken, red, yellow, fancy yellow plume on its head. Right there. Kind of looks like a parrot, but more like a jungle chicken. You know what a jungle chicken is? No. Fancy breed of chicken. I want to see this bird's mouth. Oh, I'm gonna have to come around. I want to see if he's got a parrot mouth or a chicken mouth. He's definitely got chicken feet. Garden man came over to see the bird. There, oh, I wish I was over there. That would have been a good shot. So I looked up jungle bird on my phone. Well, jungle chicken. And that doesn't really look like a jungle chicken back there. I couldn't find a jungle chicken with bright yellow plumes on its head or 2-foot straight tail feathers that look kind of like pheasant feathers. Down in the comments, let us know what you think it is. Definitely not trying to fly. Twitchers? That's what we call twitchers. Bird watchers?
Yeah.
Twitchers.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we have quite a bit of twitchers in the park.
Yeah, yeah. Sometimes they're friendly, sometimes they're not. They don't like to be disturbed when they're looking up. So we're going to leave this bird alone for a little bit. All right, now we're going to leave Nursery Island. See you later, man. That's the name of this island we were exploring. This is where we saw the bird. Didn't have much good fishing here. Just one little bite. They're bringing this thing back. Nursery Island used to be the tree farm for City Park, and it went into, pretty much was abandoned for many years, and now they're bringing it back. So it's easy to get back here now. It used to be a bushwhacker's nightmare. Let's move on. All right, see you next time.